You know, there's an old adage in real estate investing that says it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Meaning, buy good properties and don't stop buying good properties, because long term they're going to give you a lot of wealth in return. And so what we did is we took the correction of 1989. This is 89, at the very peak of that market. This is 96, 7 years later, at the very bottom of that market. And then in 02, the market reaches where it was again in 89. So this is about 13 years later. So what we're looking at is, if I bought at the very peak of the market, would I be better off to buy here? Or would I be better off to try and time the market? Let's say I had a crystal ball. Would I be better off trying to time that market and wait till the very bottom so that I could get the lowest purchase price? And as they say, right, buy low, sell high kind of thing. Is that really true? Or is the old adage of time in the market the better compass to be navigating by?